In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through using Luma-Loft's powerful photo enhancement tool. Perfect for transforming any low-quality image, no matter your experience level. To get started, open the Tools menu and select Photo Enhancement Pro. This will unlock advanced features to maximize your image quality. Next, click the Upload Photo button, then choose your image. Your photo will be uploaded directly to the workspace, allowing you to begin editing immediately. After uploading, click on Enhancement Style in the menu. You'll instantly see a variety of presets to choose from. Then, select Portrait Master Pro for personal photos. Use the split slider to quickly compare before and after versions and decide if the suggested edits fit your style. Next, apply your selected style and click Enhance Photo to finalize your changes. Use the Preview slider for an immediate before and after view. When you're satisfied with your edits, click Download and then view your final result. Take a look at your enhanced image. Once finished, simply close the window to return to your main tool. If you want to keep refining the image, send your edited photo to another tool and use it as a start point there and continue working on it, and it's all in a seamless workflow. You can also click Exit and upload more images for enhancement. To enhance logos, select your logo file and confirm to start the enhancement process. For even more accuracy, try the Vector Logo Clean preset to perfectly match your creative vision. Use the style and click Enhance as needed. Now you can see that this logo, originally just 100 pixels in resolution, has been increased to 1024 pixels and features sharper edges as well. Take a look at your enhanced image. Once you're satisfied with your project, you can download the final version or send it directly to another tool. For example, if you want to convert it to a vector file, we'll show you how to do that in a separate video. Now you know how to enhance, download, and keep improving your photos with these straightforward tools. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a tutorial like this.